Hi, Brian Bachman with MarineMax Clearwater. Today with a video walkthrough of the 2020 Sea Ray 29 SDX Outboard. See, this boat has the stainless anchor with automatic windlass on the bow, docking lights, black gel-coated hull sides. So we move toward the back of the boat. We'll see we do have the gray sea deck installed on the swim platform. You have a fold-out swim step on the port side. Boat is powered by two black 250 horsepower Mercury Verado V8 outboards. Very smooth and quiet operation. Starboard side, telescoping boarding ladder for very easy boarding of the vessel. Again, sea deck through the entry. Very spacious rear-facing lounger on the back. Great for entertaining, day at the sandbar. We do have the pull-out wash-down shower on the entry, as well as stereo controls and 12-volt charger. Cup holders abundant throughout the vessel. Entering the cockpit, we'll see on the starboard side, we do have the sink, storage area, and refrigerator. This boat has the shore power with converter and to power the refrigerator. Very spacious L-shaped lounge seating. Both the captain's and passenger's chair backrests move forward for rear-facing lounging positions. Very nice folding sport arch with tow point on top. Over on the port side, so you do have a glove compartment, cup holders, very spacious and easy to access head with sink. Moving over to the helm area, fully appointed digital fusion stereo, as well as speakers throughout. 9-inch Simrad digital dash for your chart plotter, depth finder, and engine functions. And this boat does have the joystick piloting, so make ease of any docking situation, as well as provide skyhook to keep you in place, and functions as autopilot that interfaces with the Simrad as well. Moving forward, we do have cockpit and bow tables that are removable, and very spacious seating up in the bow. And again, finishing it off with the automatic anchor windlass. Awesome running boat. Great to take a ton of people out and have a day of fun, but easy for single-handed operation as well. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call. This is Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 813-503-2649. So give me a call. Come on down, see this boat in person or any other of our in-stock options, or set up a demo, get on the water today. Thanks for joining.